Hey everyone, we have exciting news at Breath of Life. The other day I was watching KY3 and I saw this graphic which got me thinking, I do not know enough about spring gardening and I'm always behind the 8 ball. So I was thinking you might be too. I then thought, well, who should we talk to about that? And I remembered my friend Stephanie. And then I also remembered, I don't even know what seeds I need. So if you're like me, come in, get your appointment booked in March with Dr. Katie, and we're gonna get you all set up. We'll get you some seeds, and we're gonna get you the best part ever. You get an exclusive invitation to a Zoom call with our expert gardener, Stephanie, to answer all of your questions. So you can call, text, or book online, and we hope to see you soon.